In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add custom code in Webflow using JavaScript or CSS. Let's get started. Open your Webflow dashboard and select the project you want to edit. Go to Project Settings and open the Custom Code tab. Paste your CSS or any code that needs to load before the page into the head code section. Paste JavaScript or other scripts that should load after the page content into the footer code section. Save your changes, then republish your website so the custom code is applied across your site. If you're adding code to a specific page, use that page's custom code settings instead. Visit your live website and test your code to make sure everything is working correctly. If you don't see the changes immediately, refresh the page or clear your browser cache. That's how to add custom code in Webflow using JavaScript or CSS. Thanks for watching.